Now, besides asking ChatGPT which extra information could improve a result, you can also ask ChatGPT to criticize and evaluate and improve itself. You can, for example, ask ChatGPT what could be improved about your tweet, if you did ask it to create a tweet. For example, here I ask ChatGPT to write a tweet about the advantages of JavaScript, and it therefore did exactly that. It wrote such a tweet. And we could, of course, take that tweet. It might be exactly what we're looking for, but often when working with ChatGPT, responses can indeed be improved by forcing ChatGPT to be self-critical. Here, for example, we can get ChatGPT to improve this tweet by asking it whether the tweet can be improved and how it could be improved, and to then also apply those improvements. And whilst this does not always lead to better results, it sometimes does, because it turns out that with ChatGPT, you often get better results if you don't just accept the first initial draft, but you instead ask ChatGPT to be self-critical and to evaluate and improve the responses it generated.